what Jesus began to do. First, what he began to do and to teach. So more now he's talking about action, doing, not just only the teaching, not just only the preaching. What Jesus began to do. Jesus was somebody that was actually thanking God always. He began to do it and then he began to teach it. You will see other examples where he taught it as we are going into the scripture. But the important thing is that he began to do. He didn't just say, let me teach these people and I won't do it. You know the popular saying that some people say, follow my teaching, don't follow what I do. One is basically saying that, let me teach you how you should do this, but you don't now hold me responsible to do as what. But who does that? If you are teaching me something, it means that you also believe in what you're teaching me. It means also that you should be able to practice it. When you practice that, I will know that really you are actually teaching me something good. So if you're teaching somebody, if you're teaching certain things and you're not doing them, then you need to question yourself.